Introducing Diablo's new revolutionary carbide teeth rough-in hole saws. Now boasting speeds up to 5 times faster than traditional hole saws. Diablo's innovative SnapLock Plus mandrel system is designed for fast and efficient hole saw attachment, minimizing downtime, and features a tool-free plug ejection that allows for fast material removal. Enhanced carbide teeth deliver up to 50 times longer cutting life compared to standard hole saws. Experience a substantial 40% increase in boring depth that allows for deeper holes in a single pass. With optimized tooth geometry, achieve up to 5 times faster holes, longer life, and maximum productivity in clean wood, nail-embedded wood, shingles, and fiber cement. Upgrade your toolkit today with Diablo's new carbide teeth rough-in hole saws for unmatched efficiency and performance.